today at Finlayson Park School in Manurewa to celebrate a very generous donation from Sun-Maid raisins. They've given KidsCan over 500,000 boxes of raisins for the schools that we support around the country. So KidsCan provides a food program for low decile schools, and we do that so that when kids are turning up hungry, they can focus on their learning in the classroom. And what we're going to hope to do today is we want to break the world record for the largest simultaneous whistle. So we think that with over 1,000 people here today, we can break the record. How cool would that be? Yeah.
One, two, three.
Say a big thank you for welcoming us into your school today, and we've had a really fun time with you, and it was really awesome to meet all of you, and we're just going to leave today feeling really special about Finlayson Park School. So thank you.